Alright guys, so for this module, we're going to be learning how to move content into our Weebly website. Alright, last week's module, we learned how to create our tabs and pages. And you can see I added some more from last week. Now I have our course information as a tab with a page, goals and outcomes. I have a modules tab, and I'll have all the modules listed underneath it, as well as the assignments tab with all the assignment pages underneath it. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is how to add, let's say you want to add like a course syllabus for your class. So I'm going to come to course information. Alright, and you'll see I have nothing on this page yet. Alright, and it says click here to edit. So that means I can just type, right? If I click there, I can just start typing. Alright, but if I look to the left, I can add any of these things right here. I can add a contact form, a newsletter, pictures. We'll have pictures next week, but I can do all different types of stuff. I can add documents, files. Alright, so I'm going to add a course syllabus, so I'm going to call this the course syllabus up here. So course syllabus. Alright, so now when someone clicks on course information, it'll have course syllabus. Okay, then I'm going to come down here. Now, I can't just click and start tapping. I have to add something. So, I'm going to come up here. I'm going to click text, hold it, and I'll drag it into this. And now I can click and start typing. So like I said, this is my course syllabus. So I'm going to label it as course syllabus. Okay, now this is just like how you would use in Word. Alright, you can change the font colors, you can center it, you can bold, italicize, underline, change the size of it, all that types of stuff. Alright, so that part's just like Microsoft Word. Alright, now, I've already written out a syllabus on Microsoft Word, so I'm going to open that up. Alright, and let's say I just want to, let's see, here's what I want to add in my syllabus. So I'm just going to highlight all of this. Let's go to alright, this is a little too much to do, right? So if you have something that's, I think mine is 13 pages, that's going to be way too much to put in my website right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and click the add a file. Okay, and I'm going to put that under course syllabus. So now I can click here and I can do upload my file. Alright, and I already know what this one's called. This is alright, so now under course syllabus, they can just click and it will open up that file, which is the syllabus, which was that 13 long page Word document I had. Alright, or if you just want to add something small, so let's go back to it, and let's say I just want to add the opening little page here. So let's do this, and let's highlight just this first part. Alright, yep. We're going to copy it. Then we're going to come in here and paste it. Okay. So now you can see this is what's going to come up in the course syllabus, as well as the file which contains the rest of it. Alright, so that's how you add content. Alright, now let's say for my modules, my first module is going to be on the origin of sports, because again, I'm teaching Sports History 101, so I'm going to title it Origin of Sports. Okay, now your assignment was to find some content that relates to your teaching area and aligns with your curriculum. Okay, and then you're going to upload that into the appropriate tabs and pages. So I've already found what I want to upload. Alright, same thing, I'm going to come down here and I will click text and I'll drag it in here so that I can start typing. And then I'm going to go to whoops, give me just a second. If I can find it. Where is it? Here we go. All right, so I'm going to do the origin of sports, but I'm going to talk about golf in this topic. So I found what I want to talk about. Okay, I can highlight straight from the article. And then I can paste it in here. All right, and I need to title this golf because that's what it was about. So golf. And I'm going to bold that. All right, so this is the origin of sports. And I can add all the sports I want. I can put baseball in here, football, and I can keep going on. All right, so this is going to be the topic for my first module. All right, so whatever it is you're teaching, make sure you give it a title. Find whatever content you want to find, whether it's on the internet, in a textbook, whatever you find. Okay, but once you find it, if it's not your own work, make sure you come down here and that you reference this. So if I was to post this, I need to reference this. Okay. All right, we all know how to cite our references. All right. So that is how you're going to add your content. Okay. Now next week we're going to talk about how to add in our pictures and videos to this content.